In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to wrap text around a circle in Adobe Illustrator. This is a super useful technique for creating logos, badges, stickers, social media graphics, and professional typography designs. If you've ever wondered how to make text follow a perfect circular path, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you can position and adjust your text perfectly. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Once your artboard is ready, go over to the toolbar on the left side and select the Ellipse tool. You can also press the shortcut key L on your keyboard to activate it instantly. Now click and drag on your artboard to draw a circle. If you want a perfectly symmetrical circle, hold down the Shift key while dragging. This locks the proportions so the width and height stay equal. Release your mouse once you're happy with the size of your circle. Now that we have our circle, the next step is to add text that follows this circular path. To do that, go back to the toolbar and find the Type tool. Click and hold on the Type tool icon to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu, select Type on a Path tool. This is the tool that allows text to follow any vector path, including shapes like circles. With the Type on a Path tool selected, move your cursor over the edge of the circle. You'll notice the cursor changes slightly when it detects the path. Carefully click directly on the edge of the circle. As soon as you click, Illustrator will convert that circle path into a text path, and you'll see a blinking text cursor appear on the outline. Now simply start typing your text. You'll immediately see the text wrap around the circle instead of appearing in a straight line. This is because the text is now following the vector path of the shape. You can type anything you like, whether it's a brand name, a quote, or a title for your design. If the text feels too small or too large, highlight it with your Selection tool or Type tool and adjust the font size from the top control panel. You can also change the font style, spacing, and alignment just like regular text. At this point, your text is wrapped around the circle, but you may want to reposition it. To adjust the placement, switch to the Selection tool by pressing V on your keyboard. When you click on the text, you'll notice small brackets on the path. These brackets control where the text starts and ends along the circle. Click and drag the start bracket to move where the text begins. Drag the end bracket to control where it stops. You can also drag the center line to flip the text inside the circle if you want it to appear on the inner edge instead of the outer edge. Take a moment to fine-tune the positioning until it looks exactly how you want. You can experiment with alignment settings like center alignment to balance the text evenly across the top or bottom of the circle. Small adjustments can make a big difference in achieving a clean, professional look. And that's it. That's how you wrap text around a circle in Illustrator using the Type on a Path tool. It's quick, simple, and incredibly powerful once you start using it in your designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.